For qualified KDKA fans, visit trustdj.com today.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. Emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Two. Alright, and then hopefully we'll get this bad boy to activate too. It all depends. It will show active if it actually gets something. Alright, it says active. Yes, let's go, baby! Let's go, baby. It actually got it. First official relay on this. That's gonna... Yep. There it goes. Let's go, baby. First official relay on my GR. And as per usual, I'm along with...
Jerking off master.
What? Anyway, say your name.
I'm 32165.
Thank you.
I mean, to be honest, you'd be really good at doing that.
What? I mean, you're not wrong.
Yeah, no. Anyway, in the meantime, I'm sub Jeremy 20 for 13.
Yes. So yeah, pretty much same stuff as always tonight. KDKA test, except JR is finally back on the calls, which is great.
Yes, I am, but I do end up having a sore throat because I lost my voice a little bit because hopefully I did mean to tell you guys this, but there's this freaking disease that's going around in our school, and I think that's what I have because a lot of people tend to lose voices from it.
Dang. Well,
I'm pretty sure
that's what I have.
I'm pretty sure I actually got it earlier in September, I'm pretty sure.
Dang.
Yeah, there's just some weird disease going around the school.
Well, that's unfortunate.
I thought one of my golf guys got it, but unfortunately it was an injury that set him back.
Ouch. But,
well, I mean, he did get it. He did get it, but then later on the season, he got injured.
Well, that's an unfortunate set of events.
Yeah, it's very fun.
But, yeah, guys, so pretty much what's been happening is that you guys may have noticed I've not really uploaded videos over the past week, and that's because, well, unfortunately, on Monday I tested positive for COVID, and I pretty much had to isolate myself from the world for like 5 days. Saturday ended my isolation period, and I pretty much just wanted to record all my alerts from that isolation period and post that once. And then after that, I'll post the Sunday morning tests, and then I'll finally post this, because I'm posting all the videos in a chronological order. But, yeah, I mean, besides that, nothing new. But, yeah, guys, I'll pretty much just wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe. The notification bell helps me out a lot. We're very close to 1.2K subscribers.
And I'm close to 700.
Nice. But yeah, I'm close to 1.2K. Thank y'all so much. Helps me out a lot here. Here, guys, with that being said, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.